Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select distance unit on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the icon at the upper left corner of the screen and scroll down, and you can find the units and time section. Tap that and you can find the second option, the distance, and here you can select the nautical miles, the kilometers, or the miles. Actually I use the nautical miles, but if you want to select, for example, the kilometers, just click that and you can use this distance unit. If you want to select another, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.